Hello everyone. In this video, we will talk about values and variables. When you first program, a value, just like a word or number, is one of the fundamental things that a program manipulates. Let's say I have number 5. Number 5. 5 is basically a value. And you can have a word like hello world. In our first program is like it's a string. Okay, so any kind of value will have a type, and Python has a function called type, and this function basically it will say which type of value, which type of the value is it in. Let's say for example I print type 5, and if you run it, yep, and you see this is a type integer, is a number. And if you say like print and type, print type, and if you say hello world, and if you execute, and the second is like a string, so any value will have a type. And you can play around more. Let's say I print type, let's say like 3.2. Okay, and this is the floating number. Yeah, this is like just like real numbers to be beginning for you to see. Okay, so because of that, and we have all the basic type for you to see. And in the lecture, the lecturer will explain more about type conversion because kind of like more complicated. So now we have time to talk about variables. One of the most powerful features of programming language is the ability to manipulate variables. A variable, just like a name that refers to a value, that means it can substitute the value. Let's say you can have a message. Okay, this is the variable named message, and it holds the values what's up. And you know, let's say at any time if you print, yep, let's see what happened. If you run, you see it will run like what's up. It's a very basic thing in programming language, like you have to use the variables. Okay, so when you this one you assign the value what's up to the message. So you can play around more. Let's say like day equal to 21. That means you assign the value 21 to a variable day, and you print them. Okay, yep, and the 21 coming up. And thing is, variable names, the rule of it is it can be very long, but be sure they can contain underscore, letter, digit. But be sure like you use very meaningful name, because like it will help you remind what it is about, because when you do with a big program, you have to understand your code, and you know, like as short and as clear, as concise as possible. Okay, and one thing is to keep in mind is you couldn't use the keyword for the variable name. Yeah, and the list of keyword, it can be like n, s, a search, because like when you look at this kind of thing, this is the thing that used in Python program structure. So if you use it, the program gets confused. So basically, do not use it for variable name. I hope I prepare everything for you. So when you come to the lecture, we talk more about type conversion, statement, and expressions. Thank you.